Your search for the perfect side hustle ends today. Because today I'm here to show you the plug-and-play, tried and tested Maximus Traffic system that you can use to simplify creating your next side hustle and maximize your chances of finding successful offers. With the Maximus Traffic system, you get, step 1, collect thriving ClickBank offers through a powerful software called CB250. You see, ClickBank is an amazing platform that's the modern representation of a gold mine for anyone looking to succeed. But the only rule being, you have to do it right. With CB250, you can easily find the most successful offers on ClickBank and place those offers on autopilot, drive traffic to them, and enjoy an unbeatable affiliate marketing method. Using its one-of-a-kind search function, you can easily find more products in any niche, find keywords, search through Alexa, and have a new list every 24 hours to maintain accurate results. Now, once you've got the perfect 3 or 4 offers, how do you promote them? I'm glad you asked. That's when the next step of our system comes into play. Step number 2, plug your high-end offers into the Maximus software. Maximus is the world's fastest offer promotion app and can send thousands of visitors to the page of your choice in less than 90 seconds. How does it work? Maximus gives you 20 landing pages already set up for your offers, connects them with your affiliate links, and allows you to target your ideal customers with 0 previous experience. It's so easy to use, yet so powerful, with mind-blowing daily results that most people you know don't make in an entire month. With Maximus, you don't need to understand marketing funnels or create 10 landing pages for a single offer. You don't need to create an expensive campaign that's almost always underwhelming and disappointing. All you have to do is follow that starter guide and the step-by-step tutorials that come with it, and you'll be on your way to affiliate marketing success. And for the last piece of the puzzle, and the last attempt at landing the sale, you're going to need instant push pages. Step number 3, start using instant push pages to create effective squeeze pages. In order to retain your traffic, you need to create a community and database of your engaged leads and use it to target them for another attempt at converting them into customers. With our Instant Push Pages software, you'll have access to a revolutionary technology that places their offers in people's faces in a new, non-invasive, and attractive way through web push notifications. Not only that, but you'll be able to build instant squeeze pages for any of your offers, allowing you to direct all lost traffic, introduce your offers in a new light, and make them much easier to promote. In addition to that, we'll provide you with $10,000 worth of software marketing solutions. Our Maximus Traffic 3-step system is the marketing cheat code every business wishes they had, now available for you to benefit from. With us, you'll have a foolproof process that you can start using as soon as today and create the perfect funnel for high-paying offers. So, are you ready to experience what it's like to nail every affiliate offer you find? We want to help you do exactly that, all with the power of the Maximus Traffic system. See, I told you this video had everything you need. Excited to get started? Of course you are. All that's stopping you from launching the automated affiliate program that'll help you achieve financial freedom is clicking the link below. So join us right now and choose to hop aboard the winner's train. See you on the other side.